And
Wait,
go.
ready. Start it up, nigga.
We are now dressed, and we're ready to go out and listen for coyotes. I heard it. I was scared. I'm nervous, man.
Right out there.
Alright, we're going.
Yes, right.
Yo, we're going, nigga.
We're going. Outside. I don't know if you can see much of it. Oh. I'm so serious. I don't know if you guys can hear any of this, but we hear it.
Stop. Be quiet. No, we'll listen for it.
That's just a dog.
No, it's not.
I'm getting so fucking scared,
Oh,
dude.
right. Dude. It's running.
That.
We'll plug it in.
I got it, bro. Oh. What's up, nigga? Oh, stop it.
Okay.
I got it. We are now chilling in here after being out there for under a minute to listen. Oh, I'm so fucking scared. Oh, maybe he won't be a pussy later on.
Oh, dude, let's listen to that. Yo, so pause this.
Alright.
Yeah, we're out. We'll be back in 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
3 minutes.
3
Alright,
minutes.
peace.